Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we are here visiting Pantry Homes, one of their model homes right here in Liberty Hill, Texas. And this model is called the Willis floor plan. It is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, 2 levels, roughly about 3593 square footage. And guess what, guys? They have this one available right now to move in. If you're interested in this model floor plan, let me know, reach out to me. Again, for those of you that are new to my channel, press that subscribe button and like it, as this channel is here and created for you guys to home tours and get you guys some aspects of Austin lifestyle. Okay, let's go ahead and visit this beautiful house. As soon as you enter in this house, you will see a bedroom right here on your right hand side. And they've got a full bathroom. And look at this, you've got this closet where you can do a lot of storage. I love these kind of closets when they have it underneath the stairs. It gives you extra space to store your boxes or whatever you guys need. If you guys are building a home and you have that option to let your builder know if they can extend the storage underneath the stairs, make sure you do that, because a lot of people forget to ask them that, and then that space is wasted and you can't use it. Very high ceilings, open floor plan, lots of windows for that natural lighting coming in. And you've got a very open kitchen. And for those that are just watching this video for get some inspiration on remodeling, decorations, it's a great way to check out the model homes. Got up-to-date furniture styles, the lighting fixtures. And look at that winery right there. This one also has the double oven feature right over there. And a pot filler, guys, for those that love cooking. You can use that pot filler right there for your pastas or whatever you guys are making. This floor plan, they do have one, like I said, available. And that one does back up to a green belt. It has a media room, a workout room, fireplace, and a nice high 8-foot flooring doors. And if you guys are building your home with the new construction from ground up and your design options, make sure you guys do the structural first, because that one you will not be able to change, versus cosmetics. The biggest structural that I tell people to do is this sliding doors. You can have these sliding doors. It makes a very huge difference on the open concept with the natural lighting coming in, and makes the house look even bigger. And here we enter the master bedroom. Love the light fixtures, the decorations that they have done, designing the room, very cozy, very peaceful. And you have two closets, one for his and hers. And I guess you guys can guess which one is his. And which one is hers. And love this concept of right here from the closet is you get your laundry room. Makes it a whole lot easy to get your laundry and put your clothes back up. And entering into the kitchen, there is a slight desk feature right here where if you have kids, you can have them study there or just put your mail there. Here we come to that pot filler. And the other thing I love about this home is it's got a workout room. Yes, for those that love to work out and don't want to go to the gym, welcome to your workout room. And of course, for women or for men maybe, the pantry is very important. So here we have a walk-in pantry. So yes, there's 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2.5 bathrooms also downstairs. And now let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. This is so nice. As you can see, it's very open from all different angles. Right here, you're entering the game room. And guys, if you have any requests that you want to see, any model homes or any questions, just comment them below. And here we go into the media room. A full bathroom right here. Yep, we've got a walk-in closet. And then we have another bedroom with a full bathroom. This one looks like it has 4.5 bathrooms. And a normal closet. It's a beautiful home right here in Santa Rita Ranch, one of the models by Pantry Builders. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching.